friends, hope you all doing good. I'm Anuradha. Welcome to my channel Rang. Today I'm going to unboxing and review a pencil. This is a kind of eraser and super useful product which is used in art. Guys, if we talk about the brand, so this is worision eraser pencil pack of 6.
I bought this pencil from online around 350 rupees. There is no offer going on. Guys, it is available in Amazon and Flipkart, and if you are lucky, so you may get discount also.
Guys, if you talk about the packing, so packing is quite good. It's made up of paper, hard paper and plastic.
Backside all the information is given, how to use and where to use. Actually, it is generally used for the charcoal drawing, color illusion and perfect for sketch.
And guys, it is made in China.
Let's open the bag.
So guys, let's take out one pencil. So it's look like this. So guys, let's sharpen this pencil.
Guys, we can see here it's easily sharpened with the eraser.
So guys, let's check its performance on graphite work.
Pencil is super useful. Here you can see that this is little bit dusty, but really it's very good.
Guys, why I like this pencil? Because of eraser quality. The eraser is little bit hard, so we can easily sharpen the pencil.
Other brand I have seen, they are very stretchable, so it's very difficult to sharpen.
If you're beginner, so it is very good option for you, even artists too. Guys, if you're thinking to purchase this product, really very good option. Guys, hope this video is useful for you. So मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, bye bye.